Talks about Yami Gautam, who was happily married to Imran Hashmi. They had a love marriage, but Imran was actually involved with another gal in Pakistan, and they wanted to tie the knot, but she got engaged and got married to another man, because of which he was very despondent. But still, he settled for another woman because he fell in love with her as well, and they were happy in the initial stages. But later on, complications started happening because he got kind of lost interest. She got pregnant and she delivered 3 children, and in between, she also used to complain about him not having time for her. And once he said that he's off to Pakistan for some work for property issues and then he brought that woman back because that lady had got kind of divorced from her hubby, separated from the one whom she had married. So she came back to India along with him, and he declared that she will be the second wife of, and she will stay, like all of them will stay like a happy family. So Yami was very disappointed. She was very actually sad and despondent because acceptance was not there and she was not ready to share him with anyone. And she even actually addressed her grievances. But then Imran said that you are the elder one, so behave in a mature manner. And then later on it was revealed that that lady was already in love from before, and she revealed it to Yami, and her heart broke almost. And then she carried on for some time, but it became impossible after a couple of years maybe. And then she actually once just walked out of the house, and then she wanted to claim her alimony. And in between, in the beginning, he used to send her 300 rupees per month for the maintenance of the children. They were not divorced, but she separated. But later on, that money also stopped. So she filed a case against him that he is responsible for the children and he has to give maintenance for her, but he was reluctant. And the court case went on for years, almost like 8, 9, 10 years. And then it seemed as if she will not get justice. And in between, he just filed divorce. He said 3 times, talaq, talaq, and he said that now I don't have any responsibility towards you, Sharia law, and now you are not my wife. So I will not take care of you. And then she said that in Quran, it's not mentioned that this can happen by just uttering the words 3 times. So you are wrong. And then ultimately she got justice in the end of she even approached the Supreme Court. So it took it was an arduous ordeal, but she got justice, and then he had to pay her, and then she walks away with the children. So that is the reason why the name is Haq. Okay. So bottom line, when a woman is determined to achieve something, she will definitely get it. Like she knew that it was her right, and she was right to demand her maintenance money, and she ultimately got it. So believe in yourself. 4.5 stars.